Adjectives.
Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, 2 chocolates, yellow butterfly, big car, round table. Here the words 2, yellow, big, and round are describing the nouns chocolate, butterfly, car, and table. Words used for number, color, size, and shapes are adjectives. Today our topic is adjectives by sound, and here I have provided you the meanings of all the adjectives written in the word bank. First of all, read the meaning of these adjectives. Then we will start our page number 48 in our book. Open your page number 48, mention the date on it, adjectives by sound, directions, complete each sentence by writing in an adjective. Use the word bank to help you. First blank is a dash wind blew through the field. So we will search from the word bank. What we write here? We will write silent. A silent wind blew through the field. Second one is we visited the dash town. So what we write here? We visited the Hirsch town. The third is the dash goose went down the hall. How was the goose? If we search from the word bank, so what we search? Yes, we will write howling. The howling goose went down the hall. The fourth is Nell answered the dash telephone. How was the telephone? What we select an adjective for telephone? Yes, we will select ringing. Nell answered the ringing telephone. And now you have to search the adjectives from the word bank and complete the fill in the blanks given on page number 48. Open your page number 49, mention the date on it. Topic is adding adjective by side. Directions, choose an adjective from the box to complete each sentence. Example, the volcano was covered in black smoke. We have a word bank on page number 49 and the words are bright, brown, clean, cracked, curly, dark, dirty, dusty, pink, pretty, large, long, short, small, smiling, and ugly. The first blank is the dash dog needed a bath. So how was a dog that needed a bath? If we select the word from the word bank, the dog was dirty that needed a bath. Yes, so we will write the dirty dog needed a bath. Second one is John gave me a dash glass. What would we select from the word bank? We can select clean here. John gave me a clean glass. Next one is my dash sister drove the car. You have to write adjective for sister. So what we select from the word bank? We can write pretty. My pretty sister drove the car. Next one is Sarah saw a dash elephant at the zoo. Here we have to select adjective for an elephant. And I think large is the best adjective that describe elephant. So we write Sarah saw a large elephant at the zoo. On page number 49, You have to complete these blanks by selecting the adjectives from the word bank. On page number 49, we have another question. Write an adjective to describe each noun. Here are some nouns and you have to write adjective for these nouns. First one is dash cup. So you can write small cup, dirty cup, clean cup, pink cup, short cup. You have lots of choice here. Second is dash cat, and here you have to select adjective for cat. And in the same way you have to complete this question on page number 49. Open your page number 50, adding adjective by touch directions. Choose an adjective from the box to complete each sentence. And here we have a word bank, and the words are bumpy, cold, dry, fuzzy, hard, hot, silky, slimy, smooth, soft, squishy, sticky, warm and wet. First fill in the blank is Todd fell into the dash mud. You have to select the adjective from the word bank, and here we will select sticky. Todd fell into the sticky mud. Second one is the sidewalk is dash in the summer. How was the sidewalk? In the summer the sidewalk was hot. So we write the sidewalk is hot in the summer. Katie will wear her dash dress to the party. Any adjective for dress in the word bank? Silky. So we write Katie will wear her silky dress to the party. My dog nose is dash. My dog nose is smooth. And there are 10 blanks on page number 50, and you have to complete them by selecting the adjective from the word bank. On the same page you have another question. Write an adjective to describe each noun. And the nouns are sand, frog, wind, cloth, chair, floor. You have to write adjective of your own choice for these nouns and complete page number 50 in your book.